Hello students, we are back again with a new topic from Indian history, and the name of the topic is a system of dating. Dates plays a very important role in history, and therefore the two very important terminologies related to system of dating will be discussed in today's video. The two important terms are BC and AD. So in this lecture, we will see what these terms stands for and what their actual meaning is. So let's begin with BC. BC is the acronym of before Christ. This is an English phrase meaning before the birth of Jesus Christ. So the years before the birth of Christ is known as before Christ and it is denoted as BC in short. इसमें हमने क्या सीखा? सबसे पहली चीज़ हमने ये देखी कि BC किसका एक्रोनियम है. BC एक्रोनियम है बिफोर क्राइस्ट का. सेकंड चीज़ हमने देखी कि इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है. इसका मीनिंग है बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट. थर्ड चीज़ हमने ये देखी कि जीसस के बर्थ को यहाँ पे एज ए रेफरेंस पॉइंट माना गया है और उनके बर्थ से पहले वाले सभी ईयर्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? बिफोर क्राइस्ट, जिसको हम डिनोट करते हैं BC से इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म. लेट्स कंसिडर एन एग्जाम्पल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट वेल. गौतम बुद्धा वॉज बोर्न इन 563 BC एंड ही डाइड इन 483 BC. तो इस सेंटेंस में जो 563 BC एंड 483 BC उनका जो लाइफ स्पैन दिया हुआ है, इससे आप क्या समझते हैं? As I earlier told you that BC is used as a reference point, means the birth of Christ is used as a reference point, then we can say that 563 BC here means that Gautam Buddha was born 563 years before the birth of Christ and he died 483 years before the birth of Christ. I hope this is clear to you all. Moving on to AD. AD is the acronym of Anno Domini. This is a Latin phrase meaning in the year of Lord. Lord here means Jesus Christ. So the years begin with the birth of Jesus Christ is known as Anno Domini and it is denoted as AD in short. इसमें हमने क्या सीखा कि AD किसका एक्रोनियम है? एनो डोमिनी का. एनो डोमिनी का मतलब क्या हुआ कि जीसस के बर्थ के बाद वाले जो ईयर्स हैं, मतलब इन द ईयर ऑफ लॉर्ड, मतलब जब उनका बर्थ हो चुका था उनके बर्थ के बाद वाले ईयर्स से ऑनवर्ड्स उस टाइम पीरियड को हम क्या कहते हैं? एनो डोमिनी. और उसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? AD से. लेट्स कंसिडर एन एग्जाम्पल. जीसस क्राइस्ट वॉज क्रूसिफाइड इन 30 AD. What does 30 AD here means? 30 AD means 30 years after the birth of Christ. Let's take one more example. Hazrat Muhammad was born in 570 AD and died in 632 AD. 570 AD here means that Hazrat Muhammad was born 570 AD or 570 years after the birth of Christ and he died 632 years after the birth of Christ. So I hope the concept of BC and AD is clear to you all. And in the next class, we will understand both these terms by using a timeline representation. Let me give you a brief idea of what timeline is. The line displaying the events of past time is called timeline. You can see the timeline in the picture given below. In the next class, we will see this in detail. And this was all for today. I hope you liked my video. And if you like the content, please share, subscribe and like my channel. This was all for today. Happy learning and thank you.